man, and I'm back with another YouTube video.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Alright, honestly, today we come to with a spend a day. What about the agenda today? What about things up on the agenda? But, like, God. So, now, the agenda for change up a little bit because we did one wash and that's what I like gone, so it's whatever. But today is Thursday. I found the phone, you know, so I'm a day off, so I want to stay consistent. More in the spirit of consistency, stay with me because your girl can't stay consistent for shit. But what's on the agenda today? What about things up a pushback because I'm still like gone. So I'm gonna have a wash. I need for washing. Today I'm never supposed to. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna have in a yellow, so I have absolutely nothing in yellow. I want something to have in a yellow and I want Jamaican shirt and I'm not wearing that. But even though right there. So that's really out of it. And then going to sports and I don't know, you guys are just gonna come along with me. It's like a daily vlog or spend a day with me. I don't know the usual fly know yourself. I don't know the usual for like, comment, share, subscribe. Maybe just change this smile too long. I wonder if I'm a string of pop. God forbid, please. This is my favorite piercing by the way. I don't like it. I love it down. Actually, my skin actually itch before next one. But that's beside the point. I need to get a smaller one. I need to get one smaller one. And as I said, come along with me. I don't know the usual already. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Send it to your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your grandmother, your great grand, your cousin, your auntie, and all of that. And I'll call you later when I don't know. Probably I can't get ready with me. I can't even get ready with Uno because not like there. So me call you about when. I have something for sure. So I'll see y'all later. I'll call y'all later. Alright guys, we're ready. Again, as we say, let me know catch it. She not the yellow. Me not the green. Me have yellow for my shirt. I'm the me have. But tell the idiot girl for video me girl now. Yeah, fool this man. Anyways, yes. Not showing too much, but when we reach we show now. I'm coming to the roommate girl. Our fitness sports and she want to drink. See boy, we come a sports safer. I need to run. You ever run again? Eh? You know what run, you want to run. Me go up. Shot you find out if you start to run. You better win the race. I don't even know if you're going to win the race. Because the boy now focus. I don't if you know what to do, chat. Alright. What?
You don't know one here. We have to know. Marvin!
Run, Marvin! What kind of running that? Pull up the back. Pull up the back. The back. Pull it up fast. Pull up it. Pull up it. Come, pull up it fast. Run, Marvin, run! Come back, run! Blows window. What am I doing again? Do it again? Run now, Marvin! Run!
Why? You're going to tell the man that. Don't tell the man that.
Watch out. Don't know.
Oh, you're not winning us, so you go again. You win? You win?
Of course you win.
And second he come, you run again.
Ready swing lick.
You like your energy. Energy is very low.
I know low, Penny can't bother the running.
He can't run, but he don't want to run. He just want to ramp.
He don't enjoy himself.
You're so
when
cute,
you get
though.
bigger in a sports, you will
Yes,
understand. In time get bigger. Alright.
So, why can I win? Come here. You win? Eh? You have to win.
If you come second, at least you want me that.
Small food and one festival. in the taxi. A present secure by present my boss to my birthday and then I buy me get you know as somebody I forget something for your picnic so and then me secure food so I go we go do a mukbang we go eat. So guys the boy never wanna run at the sports team. I don't know want to him too hot. What is there so? I can't even reach home. My heart them gone home left me, them buy the burger and gone home left me. Honestly me never want to buy the burger. Me want some real authentic food. But my vex because I don't eat breast and the breast alone did it. I'm hungry. Me didn't want soup, but soup is like appetizer. So I'm just buy the food. I'm gonna say I'll go get a mukbang, but I don't know what else I'm gonna do. But I want to post a video. I want to stay consistent. So if this is just a video, I'm gonna just watch. You understand me? I don't know watch a video then, but that's okay. One day y'all will rock with me. But for now, I don't know mess with me. But I ain't stopping. As I am in the taxi, I'm going in the taxi right now. Right, fun people. You know, look for me see that I don't look like people will come. And I just want to go home. I need to watch like. Anyways, the day start off so shaky. I look like it's gonna rain, and now the sun hot as hell. So right now, I need to go up and see if we can eat something. And hopefully, when we don't eat, legalities not take over because. Legalities will take over because I'm lazy in the backside and then more wash out some clothes with the machine because light's supposed to come back by now so we can see what is what. Y'all just stay tuned. I'm ready. We're just ready to go up but I'm going to show a full OOTD or probably not as basically just in another Jamaican shirt here. I'm hungry, the food smells so good, more I eat. Oh my gosh, people need to come, nobody not coming, they look at me at all. I'll call them about later, guys. Guys, we just reaching. We're gonna do a mukbang. Let me show you everything we get. And we pay $7.50. I'm a chopping sweater, so this is not included. This is buy from Outer Sports. Let me show you everything. I'm a vex now because wait, I'm not good. I'm just gonna eat, you know. Me vex because me don't eat breast and a breast alone and they have unless we can but I'm not even telling you that but hold on, let me make it focus. 750 plus me get one festival. 750. Cheap as hell. Hold on. Bro, in our focus chat. Hold on, let me make it focus. I take it to alpha. Hold on, me know why now. See we are now? 750. 750. Let me so shocked. 750 food it still sell. Anyways, we're gonna eat. We're gonna do a taste test. At first, I lie. And at first, I eat one over there. But at first, I eat fried chicken. I want jerk place. I always buy then jerk and then jerk nice. How can I give you this thing? Give me. Me even know how can I give you that. It tastes ital. But we're gonna do a taste test and see. Let me show you the let me show y'all the me not have no else to set no. Oh my gosh, let me see if it better so. No, I feel like it better so. It better so. Or it better so. Let me see. Anyways, I'm showing you festival. What a festival. Bumbo cat. Sorry, mommy and daddy. They want to be and say be a customer cost. Festival, alright. As much as I'm used to the festival, so I have to buy one festival. This is a pasta. Pasta look dry as hell. Wait. This is a pasta with shredded carrots. Well, I'm mukbang, you know, people really talking about mukbang. Wait. Festival let tight. Time for the pasta. I'm gonna taste it first. Alright, eat back. Valid. Now we're gonna taste the rice. What kind of gravy is this? I'm not trying to figure out what kind of gravy this. I don't know what kind of gravy this. You don't want like coffee gravy, but it's not coffee. I probably just film chicken gravy. You know. Rice. Nice. Now we're gonna taste the chicken. can't really judge chicken with breast, but let's see. I don't like fatina, guys. There's a lot of things I don't like. It's a one good piece. I want to take first bite. Hold on, why this not focus? Crispy. Mmm. Mmm. Nothing more than when you're hungry food nice. Because, hold on, bad man. Mm-hmm. 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 Breast nice. Nothing, as me I said, nothing. I drink some juice, I chat too much. Not like when you're hungry and the food nice. My dear. Thank God. Rice nice, chicken nice. Now I go dig down in this. I pass, I'm going to buy back. What's a good to me about burger in? I'm going to know about the nice food, yeah? Remember? You know me notice, you know me realize, say, hold on. I realize, say, I don't like when me act a fool. Every time I act a fool, views are up. But you know, have to understand, say, everyday people get up and act like idiot. You understand me have my days them, and every time you're idiot. So, I'm going to watch a video them, man. We not complain. We not complain still. You think you take boy if you get up a video and act like idiot? I don't think, you know. Cold view will kill you. Tough your fuck. Mouth. Okay, that's what I know. I'm going to back. Just don't make the flour cold. Full of now. And the chicken nice. I want to see it. I want some mukbang going to see food where people don't eat. Hold on. Let me see. Let me see. I still never see it. It's pissing me off. I still not see it, but it's not for me to see, it's for me to eat. Pasta nice. I do a thumbnail. See if I can do a thumbnail. Wait. Make it more clear first. Come here, make one first. If you see what I make one, so I because I'm hungry. Not if I'm on. It's not an excuse. Sorry. Dump, 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 dump. Dump, 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 dump. We drink some juice or something, you know. My dear, oh, that thumbnail now, then I go and left for no car. I can't remember the whole part talking. I don't even know if a chat say. I don't know if a chat say. Let me do a thumbnail. Now people say chicken dry. The part look dry. We do a thumbnail. Hold on. Let me see. Because I can't remember how I edit it now. Let me do a thumbnail. Wait. Ready? We're going to do a thumbnail. Hopefully one of them, potential thumbnail. Chicken do itself. No, yeah, though. If food look bad, me could have do thumbnail when me just want me food. Alright, ready? Ready about the chicken? Ready? Oh. I'm gonna bite it for you. I think that can work. Anyways, I'm gonna call you back later when I don't know why the hell else I go warm because I literally get warm. I'm telling you what I'm gonna do before you go. I'm gonna put my ear, I'm gonna wash my ear because I smell it start fear. Too much products in there, so you need to wash out. Then after that, I don't know if I wash. But as I said, I'm gonna call you later. I don't know if I call you when I close the video or what. I don't have enough clip, but I'm gonna call you later. Mwah. Guys, me not too long don't wash my ear and blow dry it out. But the last time I talked to you, I did 2:40 odd. Around then time I got 3. And now is, let me see what time it is. Now is, plug out the phone here and show you. 2:40 odd, I chat to you now. 4:22. And to me wash my ear and I wash out the food out of my belly. I don't know how that works, but that's how I feel. Because right now, hungry kill me. Hunger is killing me. Luckily, I never don't eat of food. I don't feel feet again though, but I don't know. But I'm gonna eat the rest of my food. I'm hungry. I just come for clock in and tell you that honestly. I don't know what else to. This is what I mean. I want one smaller one. I need a smaller one. Anyways, I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come here because I have work tomorrow. And I want to post a video today because I want to stay consistent. I want to post back-to-back video as I mentioned. So, I don't know I'm going to name the video. I'm going to get a clip. But, as I said, I don't wash my hair. I'm washing the food out of my belly. So, I'm going to finish eat. And then I'm going to call on the back. Whenever. Guys, I'm home. I'm not doing shit. So, guys, I just finished the 1-2 style here. Not believe what's showing, but we can fix it tomorrow, but this is how the back looks. Wanna get it? Well sleeked. This is how the back looks. Let me do one a cock up style like what. Have you sitting now work? In the face. I'm gonna fix it. Not now, but probably tomorrow. Before work, but make sure not looking at the back. Hold on, looking at the back. This is how it looks. Well sleeved. As I said, we're gonna fix the little fall fit or something, but this is a leave out, guys. The leave out come with an accent in the ear. Whoa. Anyways, it's not bad. Look, leave out a show right so. But it's cute. I don't understand what it is. I don't have any guts to be gel, but for the time I did do it other style also. But this is cute, see. Anyways, yeah. I'm going to close up the vlog right here, guys. I'm going to say leave out come with an accent, get it together, girl. Yeah. But people from, because YouTube studio show you whisper people watch it from, I see people from South Africa watch me. And I see people from the United States watch me. So hi guys, how y'all doing? So maybe chip in accent from time to time. We can't just chat the raw part or so, but tomorrow I curl it better, cause no curling, I'm not curling enough for time here, but tomorrow me do it. But when I see the what you call it? I don't know if it's right now, but yeah, I cannot feel it. I'm gonna edit the vlog here, guys. I'm gonna post it. I still don't know I'm going there, but anyways, if you made it far to this video, guys, I want you to tell me if you make it this far to the video. Because I really want to see what rock with me. I want to do a credit giveaway when I tell them. I never have credit yet, but I want to do a credit giveaway. Understand? But anyways, guys, if you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and share up the video. I'm going to go call on later on a better pick up. Bye, guys. Love y'all. Wait. Bye.